Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for CoinKit. So, without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch and open CoinKit application, and this will be the main first interface. Now, tap on the Sign Up button in order to create a new account. In the sign up form, enter your email address and create a password. On the next field, confirm the password by retyping it again in the next field, and make sure both of the passwords match. Tap Sign Up, and follow through the prompts in order to sign up for a CoinKit account. So, that's how easily you can sign up or register for CoinKit. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.